Hey y'all, it's the last day of 2025, so I decided I just wanted to do a wrap up video of, I guess, things I've learned when it comes to my hair journey and whatnot. So, I will say I just did a blowout last week. Was it last week? 2 weeks ago? I don't remember. It was either last week or 2 weeks ago. And remember when I said that I think my hair is damaged? It's chopped. Like, I did a blowout. I didn't even flat iron it yet. I can't flat iron because I don't have one right now. It's in the mail. I pre-ordered one. But I blow dried it. I took a picture of it because I'm in this group to compare. I'm in this hair group on Discord, and we were comparing to how our hair looked in the beginning of the year versus how it looks now. And this is my hair in the beginning of the year. See, it was nice and full. It wasn't really all over the place. And then I decided that I was going to let social media influence me by, trying different things. So there were times where I tried to stretch out my wash day because, other people was like, oh, I wash my hair every 2, 3 weeks. So I was like, all right, let me try it. I tried to, use different styling tools. I've used different hair products. I have not been consistent with not one hair product this year. um, and I think this is the one that really, I think, it sealed my hair's fate. And this was me using a Revair slash blow dryer because I used another blow dryer every week or every 2 weeks for wash day. And after trying that for like 3 months straight, I noticed that my hair felt a little off. And this is my hair now at the end of 2025. Just just so disrespectful. So sad. It's chopped. It's gone. Ugh. So, yeah. So I would say I definitely destroyed my hair. Even now, I can still feel like I'm paying for it because I have not touched a blow dry. Well, I did. I just blow dry my hair. But I've been trying to nurse my hair back to health. And even with air drying and whatnot, I still can see that I have a shit ton of split ends and single strand knots. And I know that they say, that's a sign of, dehydration and whatnot. So I'm trying to not give up just yet. I'm trying to, air dry and just keep my hair hydrated and moisturized as much as I can. I'm like I said, I'm no longer gonna be experimenting with 1,000 products or anything like that. And it's like I look back in my old like pictures from on Instagram and whatnot, and I see just how big and full my hair was back when I was younger. And then I try to think, what did I do back then that I didn't do now? And the one thing that I can say that came back to mind a lot was consistency. I barely blow dried my hair. I think I blow dried my hair maybe every quarter just to do like a little length check. If that, I did like maybe every 3 or 4 months, I did a blowout, and then I would do like a end of the year slash birthday blowout. But I did not blow out my hair that often. And a lot of the times I wore scarves, I wore wigs, or I would wear twist out slash braid out. and I did it all on wet hair. I didn't blow dry my hair or nothing like that. And also, what I did notice is I was very consistent with my hair products. So, if I had a set of hair products, like if I bought something from like the Main Choice or from Mish or something like that, I had all the products from that line, and I used those oh, that's my computer. And I used those products only. I didn't have a Mish shampoo and a Main Choice deep conditioner. I didn't do any of that. I stuck with, oh, my hair likes this product line. I'ma stick by it, and that's what I did. So now that's what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a product line and I'm going to stick by it. Okay, so now for what I'm going to use for, I will say, like I said, my plan is to use everything consistently for the first 6 months. So I have the Dove Moisture, what is it called? The Dove Moisture Retention or something. The Dove shampoo and conditioner. I think it's called Moisture Lock or something. I'll put a picture up to show you. For deep conditioning, I have the Camille Rose algae. Is it the algae deep conditioner? And for my leave-in conditioner, I have the moisture lotion by Pink. There's that. So, and then I also have, I have my hair grease that I have and everything. Now I do have other, I have other hair butters and whatnot. But like I said, I'm going to be consistent. So I have this one hair butter that I've been using since the summertime, and I'm going to keep using it until I run out. And that is this hair butter. I can't think of names. I'm just going to put up pictures. This hair butter. So I'm not going to buy no more oils. I don't care if it's a hair growth oil, whatever. The only oil I have right now that I will be using on my scalp, I have an anti-itch oil, and I'm pretty much using that just when my hair feels a little itchy and it's nowhere near wash day for me. But other than that, I'm not putting oils on my scalp just because, like, I'm not. I'll put oil on my hair and, just to help seal in the hydration and moisture and whatnot. But I'm not going to just be putting oil on my scalp just willy-nilly. Like, I'm going to try to keep my scalp as clean as possible so that way my scalp can naturally do its thing. And my focus is just to, continue trimming off the damaged ends of my hair and keeping up with my hydration moisture cycle to make sure my hair does not dry out. And I'm going to be washing on a weekly basis, no matter what. And no, I won't say no matter what. If something comes up, I'm gonna stretch it for maybe 2 weeks. But the main priority is washing once a week for sure. But yeah, so like I had a bit of I felt a little sad because it's like, you be thinking like, dang, I try to experiment, I try to have a little fun, and now your hair kind of chopped. But hey, that's the hair. That's a hair journey for you. One year, your hair down your back, and you all like, yeah, I could do whatever I want. Next year, now you look like Cynthia. Now your hair is barely touching your shoulders and whatnot because your hair just keep breaking off, and you're like, what the fuck did I do wrong? So that's the journey for you. So I would say 25 was the year that I was just having fun. I was experimenting. I was doing whatever I wanted, and now, girl, kind of paying for it, but it's okay. Now, I do plan on going to the salon and getting everything cut, like all the damage I have. I plan on getting all of that cut. But I'm going to do that after my wedding because I ain't trying to chop my hair off and then I got to figure out what the hell I'm going to do with my hair. So around March or April, that is when I'm going to make a hair appointment, go to the salon, and just tell them cut all the damage off. Cut what needs to go. Don't try to save anything. Just cut what needs to go. Now, if that means I got to start from chin length and work my way back to where I was, so be it. That's the price I paid for a little fun, you know? So this video is just to not discourage, is to encourage people to keep going on their hair journey. Don't think because you had a major or minor setback that the journey's over. No. As long as you living and breathing, that journey is never over. The journey gonna be over when I'm dead and gone. That's it. So, my hair feels so rough. I'm trying though, y'all. I'm trying. But it's all right. It's all right. That's the point of this video. In 2026, we're gonna grow our hair back, and I'm gonna actually take you on this journey with me. So don't worry, we're gonna grow it all back. If you are in this position with me, where you had a major setback and your hair all choppy or your hair's damaged, we're gonna do this together, and we're gonna grow our hair in 2026. So that's everything I have. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next year. Happy New Year, everybody. Bye.